Hello everyone, today in this problem, consider four distinct circles with radii r1, r2, r3 and 3 where r1, r2, r3 are greater than 3 which touch all three fixed distinct lines in a plane. So basically all these circles touch all three of these distinct lines. If r1, r2, r3 are roots of the cubic equation x cube minus px square plus 243x minus q is equal to 0, then find the value of p plus q divided by r1 plus r2 plus r3. Pause the video here and try it on your own. I'll come up with a solution. So I hope you tried the problem. Now here's my solution. So first of all, if you try drawing circles such that they touch three distinct lines, you would have noticed that the only case possible is when these three lines form a triangle and the circles are such that one of them is the inner circle of the triangle and the rest three are the x circles. So basically they'll be somewhat like this. I'm not drawing the whole circles because they'll be very large. So I think you can even see by observation that these x circles will be larger than the in circles. And since we know that r1, r2, r3 are greater than 3, we can say that r1, r2, r3 are the x radii and 3 is the in radius. Now you might have uh, learned this relation in solution of triangles that if RA, RB and RC are the x radii and R is the in radius, we have this relation that 1 by RA plus 1 by RB plus 1 by RC is equal to 1 by R. So if you didn't know this relation, I would suggest you to remember it. It will be useful in questions that involve x radius. So now we can use that relation here. So with that we can say 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. These are the x radii. And the in radius is 3, so this will be equal to 1 by 3. So we got this relation. Now 3. Now we got a relation from the triangle. Now we'll try to use the cubic equations that are given to us. So we know that first question gives us sum of roots. Sum of roots taken one at a time. Second gives taken two at a time, and third gives taken three at a time, and so on. And the signs we have to take as minus, plus, minus, basically alternating. So in this case, we only know 243, so we'll use that one. So that will give us sum of roots taken two at a time. So we'll write r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r1 r3 is equal to 243. Now if we see the first relation we have and we take the LCM in that, we'll get the same expression as what we got right now with taken two at a time. So we get that r2 r3 plus r1 r3 plus r1 r2 by r1 r2 r3 equal to 1 by 3, and this we can substitute plus 243, and finally on simplifying we'll get that r1 r2 r3 is equal to 729. This is also the value of q since this is the product of the roots, and we got q as 729. Right. Now one relation we could try using, okay, we have 1 by r1 plus r2 plus r3. This should give us a thought of harmonic mean. Similarly, we have r1, r2, r3 also, which should give us a thought of geometric mean. Also, we see this is 3 and 729 is basically 3 raised to 6. So we are getting kind of multiples of 3. So maybe we can think that if we take the harmonic mean, even there's a factor of 3 because it's 3 by 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. So maybe we could think that if we do this, we'll get that HM is equal to GM. So let's try that. Maybe it will work. So we know this quantity is equal to 3 divided by 1 by 3, which is equal to 9. And GM is R1, R2, R3 raised to 1 by 3. And as I said, this is 3 raised to 6. So it will be 3 raised to 6 divided by 1 by 3. This is 3 square, which is 9. So we get that HM is equal to GM. This is a very important relation in our case because from this we can say that R1 equals R2 equals R3, because as you know, the only case in which the means are equal is when all the numbers are equal. And we know R1, R2, R3 is 729. From that we can get that all three are equal to 9. So we have this very important relation. Now we need P. P is basically sum of the rows. So P is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is equal to 27. So we got P, we got Q, and we have R1, R2, R3 also. Now what we need to find is P plus Q divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. And we can easily find that now. So P plus Q divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 27 plus 729 divided by 9 into 3, basically 9 plus 9 plus 9. So this will become 27 plus 729 divided by 27. We'll cancel 27 from each, so this comes 1 plus this is 27 because this is 27 squared. So this comes as 28, which is our final answer. So I hope you got the same answer as me. If you didn't, I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can comment down below, and thank you for watching.